Let's say you want to claim your Layerzero second airdrop. I am having a challenge. I don't know if it's the same with others, but this challenge is quite unique. It's different from others. A lot of people have given suggestions. They said, okay, if the donation is 0.0076, you should sum it up like a rounding up figure. So if I round up 6, 7 here will turn to 8. Let's try that. It won't work. You see, same issue, same complaint. So I'm going to copy this complaint, okay? Now I'm going to open a notepad. I just want to extract something out, which is the contract address. So I've extracted it. So all these that you are seeing, they are all instructions, but it's the system that understands it, not us precisely. Now let's go. It's trying to say from, which is my own address. You see, this is my own address. To. So this is the to. So this is the address, maybe the token issuer, or maybe the token distributor. So what do you now do next? You visit Arbitrum Explorer. It's called Arbiscan. Arbiscan.io. Okay. Arbiscan.io. Now when you visit the site, it's the Explorer site where you check your balance on Arbitrum chain, your transaction history. So you now run this search for that contract that we copied. So some has the link directly, but I'm always careful of getting links out there. Some might actually be something more dangerous than it looks from behind. So this is where the link is going to take you to if you have the link directly. So this is the contract, okay? You scroll down, you come to contract, okay? So you come to write contract, okay? So then you now connect to Web3, okay? So write contract is where you write manually, okay? You see my address is connected, okay? So the next thing is donate and claim, because you can't claim without donating. So now this is the issue. After inputting everything, then you write. But what are you to input there? That's the challenge. Sorry. So what do you now do there? You scroll up. There is a new feature now on this page, or maybe it's been there and I didn't notice, but it's good and interesting. You come to this more, more, more. You now see what we call input data decoder. Is in its beta phase, so it's still new, it's not yet perfect. Okay, use at your own risk. So you open it. I'm opening on a new tab, okay? So I'm going to open the new tab. So this stuff, this error message that I got, that I copied here, I'm going to give it back to this guy and he's going to translate it for me, okay? So let's go. Well, I'll now choose not from transaction but from address, okay? So it's now going to tell me that what's the contract address, okay? Definitely it's still the same one that we pasted here and searched here, okay? It's still the same thing. So you paste here, okay? Then it's asking for the input data. So take note, this is where the input data starts. After I'm coming, let me check properly. Okay, so I think it starts from this is data, you see, data dot, which is a column. So you copy everything inside these quotes. Don't copy the quotes. I don't think it needs a quote. Okay, so you now copy it down to this place. See where the last quote end. So quote in between. So everything inside it is actually the data. Okay, so you now input it here. It's going to translate it. It's going to decode it. So it's been decoded. So I'll scroll down to see. It's called the decoded result. Okay. So I'm now going to go back to this place. where I want to write the contract. So it's actually those things there that I will input manually. Okay. So look at this. It said, what's the uh, unit 8, the currency? So do we see anything like currency here? Yeah, okay, it's there. So unit 8 currency is 2, paste. Unit 256, amount to donate. Okay, okay. Unit 256, zero amount. Okay. Proof, byte. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this. Then to what address, which is mine address, my own. Okay. Then what's the extra byte? Just put OS there. If you leave it empty, it might fail from what people have said. So let's go to the last one, which is the top. Says that they donate and claim. So payable amount in ether. Okay. I guess that's what I want to input now. So I'm donating 0.001. I hope that will be enough. Okay. I hope that will be enough. So I'm going to write now. Okay. Now this is where the challenge comes from. Okay. When I input the word right, it brought out excess gas fee for me. Excessive, exorbitant, unbelievable gas fee. Look at it. $27 million. So I will not be getting an airdrop of maybe 100 or $150 with this amount. So why? So that means there is a problem with either my address being on the list or with the contract or whatever. I don't think it has to do with the contract, but it's quite amazing. That's the issue we're facing currently.